Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to a new method of learning vocabulary through reading. When you read in a foreign language and meet a new word, have you ever tried to infer the word meaning from the context? If yes, how often have you succeeded in doing so? Not always, right? Why? Because usually the information in each occurrence of the word is not sufficient enough for you to infer the correct meaning. Fortunately, you will meet the word again and again if you keep on reading. My question is, will learners have an easier time inferring the correct word meanings if they can synthesize the clues from the multiple occurrences of the word all at once? Therefore, to answer this question, I devised a tool called Reflash. Reflash is a pair of left arrows and right arrows attached to the target word in the text. By clicking on the left arrow, you return to the previous occurrences of the word. By clicking on the right arrow, you preview the subsequent occurrences of the word. By clicking on the arrows, you jump within the text, like in a flash. Therefore, I call this tool Reflash. Recently, I conducted a case study on Reflash to examine whether learners use Reflash, how they use it, and the efficacy of Reflash in terms of learning vocabulary through reading, in comparison with other text modification methods like gloss, which means providing the Chinese translation of the English word to the learner directly. I recruited 3 high school English learners in China and asked them to read a text where the target words were either unmodified or modified with Reflash, gloss, or Reflash and gloss simultaneously. I recorded their reading process with a screen record software, and after their reading, I tested them on the vocabulary knowledge, and then I showed them the screen record and asked them why they used Reflash or did not use Reflash for a certain word, why they used Reflash in a certain way, and what they were thinking when they were using Reflash. I found that all the participants used Reflash at least in some occasions, and they used it in different ways and for different purposes. Various factors contribute to the different usage behavior of the learners. And what's more, I also found that no text modification method or non-modification is inherently superior than other methods, and there are various factors contributing to the efficacy of each method. In other words, every text modification method has its own advantages and disadvantages in different learning contexts. Therefore, the most important pedagogical implications of this study is that we should provide learners with different text modification methods according to the different learning contexts, rather than champion any one text modification method and ditch all the others.